Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the process for following your child using the Canvas Parent app for iOS. Before you complete the steps shown in this video, it's recommended that you create a Canvas Parent Observer account. If you've not done that already, please follow the directions in the video to do that before following the steps shown here. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, we at GCSC are very excited that you are interested in following your student. The first thing you will need to do is locate the Canvas Parent app. You can see that I've already downloaded that, but you probably have not, so you're going to navigate to the App Store, and from there you're going to search for Canvas Parent. Once you have typed in Canvas Parent and you have searched, you will locate the Canvas Parent, which in this case is in the upper left-hand corner. It's a blue and white circle. Mine says open because I already have that, of course. You're going to select Get. Once you select Get, it will download, and you will see it on your iOS device as you can see it in the lower right-hand corner of my device right here. After you've downloaded the Canvas Parent app on your iOS device, you're going to set that device aside for just a moment, and then on either a PC or a Mac, you are going to log into your previously created Canvas Parent account. If you've not previously created a Canvas Parent account, please follow the directions that are linked and do that right now before you go any farther with these directions, because you have to have that account created to proceed. Please remember that your Canvas Parent account is located at a different location than where your child logs in. To access your parent account, you are going to go to greencastle.instructure.com/login/canvas. That /login/canvas is different than where your child goes to. So please remember that. Once you are there, you will enter your previously created username and password. And once again, if you have not created that, you need to do that before going any further. Once you know your username and password, you can go ahead and log in. Of course, you need to click Login after you've entered your credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, you are going to select Account in the upper left-hand corner, Account, and then you are going to select QR for mobile login, QR for mobile login. That will generate a QR code. After you click Proceed, it will generate a QR code that will work for 10 minutes. Now we're going to jump back to your iOS device. I'm now back on the iOS device, and you need to locate the Canvas Parent app, which you previously downloaded. Again, it's a blue and white circle. Mine is in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to tap to launch that app. Once the app launches, you will have two choices, Find School or QR Login. Greencastle Schools uses what's called a Google Single Sign-On. That means you can't use the Find School, basically is what it means for this. So you need to use QR Login, so select QR Login, and then you have two choices. I have a Canvas account or I don't have a Canvas account. Obviously, you have a Canvas account, and again, if you don't, make sure you follow the link to create that. So you select I have a Canvas account, you're going to receive a set of instructions. Those instructions are the same ones that we went through just a few moments ago about how to generate a QR code on either a Mac or a PC. So you're going to select Next because we've already done that. And then your QR scanner will launch, and I'm going to turn my iPad, but I will scan the QR code. And from there, it will take just a moment to log me in. And you will see that I'm already following a test student, which is named Abe Lincoln. And if you have not previously paired yourself with your child, again, please follow the link to do that before completing this operation. That will make life a lot easier. But you can see that I now have a student, and I have the courses that student is enrolled in. In this case, that's only one course, but the demo course right here, if I click on that, I can see all of the assignments within that course. And in this case, most of them don't have a lot of examples, or they don't have a lot of information because they're simply examples that were created. But you can click on any assignment to view any specifics for your child. And in the lower right-hand corner, there's a little thought bubble, and if you tap that, you can message your child's student. And that allows you to quickly and easily communicate with your child's teacher. If I click the back button, and I hit the three dots, I have the ability to manage students. And that allows me to do a couple of things. One, I could add an additional student if I would like to by adding a pairing code for that child. So if I have another child I need to follow, I can do that. Also, if you tap on this particular child, I can choose the way I would like to be notified. If their course grade goes above a certain percentage, if it goes below a certain percentage, if an assignment is missing, I can tap that and I will be notified if my child is missing an assignment, and I will receive a notification on my iOS device. And at any point, you can, of course, navigate back by selecting the back button, back to Manage Students. And if you hit back again, you have the three dots. Notice you have the ability to log out. You will stay logged in until you log out. So by doing this method, by following this procedure, you will stay logged in. You will receive notifications about your child and what they are doing in Canvas. And this is a great way to follow your child and to know how they are doing in class and what their grade is in a particular course. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know. But again, we're very glad that you're following your child.